Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm an SEO manager. I would give Doodle a 4 to 5. For more reviews like this, click below. Prior to using Doodle, we really had no solution for external scheduling. For internal scheduling, we used Microsoft Outlook and we sent invites externally as well. However, Doodle really simplifies this process. Primary reason we chose to go with Doodle was that it's a very simple solution. Really, anyone who has a web browser has access to it, so it's incredibly easy to get up to speed. Getting started with Doodle was incredibly easy because it runs in the cloud. There really is no configuration that needs to take place on your end. Everything operates seamlessly. For any organization that is thinking about using Doodle, I'd recommend to really look at if the majority of the scheduling they do is internal or external. If it's internal, do they already have a solution in place? If the majority of the scheduling is external, Doodle may be a good solution for that organization.